Ahoy! I was looking for a tool for the boat and I found it here in the Victorinox Skipper Pro. Victorinox has two different versions of Skipper. They have the Skipper and the Skipper Pro. I chose the Skipper Pro and I'm going to let you know why. This tool comes equipped with the Marlin Spike. It comes in handy if you're a boater. These dock lines were tied up all summer and the Marlin Spike gets the knots out. The Marlin Spike tool can be used to loosen shackles for this anchor. The Marlin Spike is a great little tool and it also locks in place for safety. Sometimes you may need to cut a dock line quickly and this knife will do the job. The blade has a single hand operation using the thumb hole to open it. It's a serrated blade. It's very sharp. It'll cut through a lot of things. There's a flat portion to it and it is ground on one side. You press that button to release the liner locker. I consider the Skipper Pro as part of my safety equipment. This blade is so sharp it'll cut through this dock line no problem in one swipe. This rope here is a little bit dry rotted and it cuts through it like nothing. So like most tools intended for the water, it does not float, so I highly suggest using the equipped lanyard, high visible orange. If you drop it in the water, it's going to sink. It is about 200 grams, and which would be about 7 ounces. So let's take a look at the Victorinox website. It's almost an inch wide and 4.5 inches long and 7 ounces. It has a blade, bottle opener, wire stripper, screwdriver, all your usual tools. Pretty unique tool, would make a great gift for a boater. The Skipper Pro is big and heavy. I would not want to carry it around, so I keep it in the boat. One thing I would like to mention is you can see the curves on the handle, which provides a better grip than just a straight shot. The backside is actually very smooth. Inside you'll find the toothpick, like most Swiss Army knives. This tool here is the reamer punch that's always hard to get out. I've never used one of them, but I'm sure there's a use for something like that. I chose this Skipper Pro over the regular Skipper model because the safety features. What I like about this tool is the locking mechanisms. It has a liner locker, and to disengage it you push it to the side and close the blade. Also the Marlin Spike locks as well. That's a safety feature designed. You don't want this thing closing on you when you're trying to use it. This review is by a boater. I use it out on the lake, I use it in my boat, and out at the house on the water. It's a very useful tool, has a lot of features. There's a bottle opener, and their little wire stripper thing that nobody ever uses. But it's very Swiss Army knife-like, but more so intended for boating and sailing than, say, the other Skipper model. So the Skipper Pro is the one for me. Oh, and of course you cannot forget the knife comes with a pair of tweezers. You never know when you're going to need some tweezers. So it's a good addition to the toolkit on the boat. It's a great tool to have in the event of an emergency. You need a knife to do something. You could even use it to prepare food. I keep it right here with all my other safety equipment. Binoculars, radio, sunglasses, and my Skipper Pro. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share, and subscribe.